Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's take a moment to reflect on some remarkable events that have shaped our world on September 23rd throughout history. On this day in 1846, the planet Neptune was discovered, expanding our understanding of the cosmos and igniting a passion for astronomy that continues to inspire us today. Fast forward to 1952, when the first ever televised presidential address took place, marking a significant shift in how leaders communicate with the public. And let's not forget 1999, when the world witnessed the launch of the first ever reality television show, Survivor, which changed the landscape of entertainment forever. These moments remind us of the power of discovery, communication, and creativity. As we celebrate the past, let's carry these lessons into our future. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to follow or subscribe for more fascinating stories.